Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw life insurance payouts and determine taxability. Complete guide step by step clearly. To withdraw life insurance payouts, first, review the policy documents thoroughly. Understand the type of life insurance you have, whether it's term or whole life. Identify the cash value component if you hold a whole life policy. Contact your insurance provider to request a payout. Inquire about the specific procedures required for withdrawal. Fill out any necessary forms provided by the insurance company. Gather required documentation such as identification and policy details. Submit your withdrawal request either online or through traditional methods. Wait for confirmation from the insurer regarding your request. Once approved, review the payout amount and any applicable fees. Now, let's determine the taxability of the payout. Understand that life insurance payouts are generally tax-free for beneficiaries. However, if you withdraw cash from a whole life policy, it may be subject to taxes. Assess whether your withdrawal exceeds the total premiums paid into the policy. If so, the excess amount may be taxed as ordinary income. Keep track of any withdrawals and their amounts for tax reporting purposes. Consult a tax professional if you have questions about your specific situation. Make sure to stay informed about any changes in tax laws that could affect your payouts. By following these steps, you can effectively withdraw life insurance payouts and determine their tax implications. Keep all records of your transactions and communications for future reference. Be proactive in managing your life insurance policy to maximize its benefits. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.